So this is lesson 4. This is adding and subtracting rational expressions. So we're just going to go back and review a little bit with the warm-up where we simplify rational expressions. So if you look at number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 1 and number 2, you're combining like terms here. So the first thing we're going to do for number 1 is distribute the negative. We have to distribute this negative to the expressions or the terms inside of this expression. So x minus 2, nothing happens there. The parentheses, they fall away. And I'm going to make that a 1x. But here, when we distribute the negative, it changes the signs of each term inside. So I have negative 7x's minus 6, right? I combine the like terms for this particular one, and 1x minus 6x's is negative 6x. Now, negative 2 minus 6 is negative 8. There is the answer. All right, you combine like terms. Similarly, in number 2, you combine like terms. Make sure you don't have to distribute any negatives. If it's positive, the parentheses just fall away. I have x squared plus 2 plus 1x minus 4. The parentheses just fall away. I'm going to identify my like terms here. There's only 2 sets of like terms. So that means I have x squared plus 1x minus 2 as my final answer. Okay? Now, when we're adding rationals or fractions, we want to make sure the denominator is the same, and they are. So all I have to do is write 1 plus 3, combine denominators, and this equals 4 over 2, which simplifies to 2. Here's my final answer. For number 4, you're going to have to do something different. So what happens is this becomes this denominator. I need to combine denominators. So I end up with 2 over 2 times 1 over 4 plus, look at the bottom denominators, this 4 goes over here and multiplies like a greatest common factor. And what we'll end up doing is creating not the greatest common factor, but the lowest common multiple on the bottom. The denominators become the same. So I end up with 2 over 8. And this enables me to simplify these two rationals when they're added together. But you have to take it step by step. So this becomes 2 plus 4 over 8. This equals 6 over 8. Reduced, it's 2 over 3. Next, so I know at this point the 3 is going over here and the 5 is going to the left. So 5 over 5 times 1 over 3 minus 3 over 5 times 3 over 3. Simplified, this equals 5 over 15 minus 9 over 15 equals 5 minus 9 over 15 equals negative 4 over 15. Final answer. Number 6, 2 goes to the right, 7 goes to the left. I have 7 over 7 times 1 over 2 minus 4 over 7 times 2 over 2. This equals 7 over 14 minus 8 over 14 equals 7 minus 8 over 14 equals negative 1 over 14. And it's already simplified. The last two, you're multiplying polynomials. So in general, A distributes to the second expression. So this equals A times C plus D plus B distributes to the second expression. This equals B times C plus D. Okay. Inside, A times C is AC plus A times D. All right? Plus B times C is BC plus B times D. And we want to see if there's any like terms. There's nothing we can combine together because all the variables are pretty much different in different combinations. Now, number 8, on the other hand, you break it out, you have x plus 3 times the quantity of x plus 3. That means x distributes to the second expression, so x times x plus 3. And 3 distributes to the second expression, so positive 3 times x plus 3. I get x squared plus 3x plus 3x plus 9, or x squared plus 6x plus 9. Final answer. Okay? That's it for the warm-up. And the second video is going to be the actual lesson for this unit.